Honda Hornet has always been special and meant so much to riders around the world. The twin-cylinder CB750 marked the return of an icon and is everything a Hornet should be. It's fast and it's fun. Since its return in Europe, more than 15,000 bikes have been sold to happy customers. This year, the A2 compliant licensed CB500 grew the range, allowing younger riders to join the hive. And now, the family is complete with the CB1000 Hornet and Hornet SP. The new CB1000 Hornet SP raises the excitement bar and stings harder than ever. Okay, so now let me take you through a walkthrough of the main key features of this bike. Let's start with performance, and specifically the engine. Racing DNA courses through the veins of the CB1000 Hornet SP. It features the CBR1000RR Fireblade engine with upgraded power and torque over the standard bike. An exhilarating 115.6 kilowatts of power at 11,000 RPM and 107 Newton meters of torque at 9,000 RPM. Tuned for smooth mid-range delivery and precise throttle control, this bike is a pleasure to ride in the city and truly comes alive on a winding road. The engine will surely get your attention, but the aggressive, stripped-back Street Fighter style, led by twin LED projector headlights, is equally catching. And the Hornet's signature, broad-shouldered fuel tank, pointy tail, and slim midsection defines the pure sporting difference. And a special bike, of course, deserves special paint. And that's exactly what the CB1000 Hornet SP gets. It sports an eye-catching matte ballistic black metallic finish set against desert gold metallic wheels and gold front forks as the finishing touch. It's got the engine, it has the Street Fighter looks and unique color combination, but the CB1000 Hornet SP is also designed to handle, and handle superbly. The one-piece steel twin-spar frame uses mass-forward geometry for agile cornering and sharp handling. It also has fully adjustable race-quality Öhlins TTX36 rear shock absorbers with ProLink for perfect control. Matched by the precision of fully adjustable Showa SFF-BP USD front forks. And the brakes are race quality too, of course. We have dual Brembo radial mount 4-piston calipers worked by a radial mount master cylinder. They grip 310mm floating discs for incredible braking power and feel. While both big Hornets differ in specification, they share in specific equipment. We have the 5-inch full-color TFT screen with intuitive mode management via the 4-way toggle. Here we can select between multiple riding modes. We have Sport, Standard, and Rain, as well as 2 user modes to go fully custom on the engine character. There are 3 levels of engine power and engine brake to choose from as well, and 4 levels of Honda selectable torque control and wheelie control. Super important to keep that front wheel down. The display also features Honda RoadSync smartphone connectivity for on-screen navigation and much more. For precise gear changes, a 3-level adjustable quick shifter comes standard. It delivers full throttle upshifts and clutchless downshifts with auto blip, maximizing the engine's potential. The increased power output of the SP is a benefit of the device within the muffler. The max power of the CB1000 Hornet is 111.6 kilowatts at 11,000 RPM and max torque of 104 Newton meters at 9,000 RPM. The CB1000 Hornet shares the same one-piece steel twin-spar frame and 41mm Showa SFF-BP USD front forks. As standard, it comes with a high-quality Showa unit at the rear. Plus, the huge stopping power of these Nissan 4-piston radial mount front brake calipers and 310mm floating discs. With 3 color options to choose from, we have the Grand Prix Red, Matte Iridium Gray Metallic, and Pearl Glare White. This bike is ready to handle anything from urban to twisting back roads. A range of Honda genuine accessories are ready to go for the CB1000 Hornet and Hornet SP. They're available individually or in convenient accessory packs. The Sport Pack pumps up dynamism with the quick shifter standard on the SP, instrument front visor, under cowl, seat cowl, and tank pad. Designed to complement looks, the Style Pack includes an Alcantara rider seat alongside an oil filler cap, handlebar holder, radiator grille, and rider foot pegs. And the final detail, wheel stripes. So, the most potent Hornet we've ever built is here, and it stings harder than ever. The CB1000 Hornet SP has it all. Our hive is full and buzzing. Come join us and experience this amazing bike for yourself at your local Honda dealer.